Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the intriguing world of retirement savings with a fun twist. Through animation, we'll compare Indexed Universal Life Insurance, IUL, under IRC 7702 to the traditional 401k plan. Let's dive in. First up, our trusty 401k. Picture this as a treasure chest that grows bigger every time you add something to it. You can put part of your salary into this chest before taxes, reducing your tax bill each year. But there's a catch. If you try to open the chest before you're 59 and a half, there's a penalty, usually 10%. And you must start taking money out by age 72 to avoid other penalties. Now meet the IUL, a Swiss Army knife of financial tools. It's not just life insurance, it's a flexible investment tool. Under IRC 7702, it's defined with specific tax advantages. You can pour money into it and watch it grow based on stock market indexes, but with a safety net to prevent losses. The best part, you can access your money tax-free, without age restrictions or mandatory withdrawals. Let's animate this comparison. Our 401k character is strong, storing your money safely, growing it over time with help from your employer's matching contributions. But if you need money early, it sets off alarms and penalties. Our IUL character is flexible, dancing with the market's ups and downs but never falling down thanks to a safety net. It gives you money when you need it, without penalties. Imagine if you start contributing at age 30 and retire at 75. 401k animation shows contributions growing, but a character gets hit by penalty icons if they withdraw early or fail to withdraw after 72. IUL animation. Contributions grow, and a character happily accesses the money with different life events tax-free. Who wins in the battle of retirement plans? It depends on what you value more, flexibility or structured growth. Both plans have their pros and cons, and the best choice varies based on your individual financial needs and life goals. That's a wrap on our animated adventure comparing IULs and 401ks. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more animated financial insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.